Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show UK 49 prediction for Friday 12 April 2024. Today lunchtime single prediction numbers. Number 13, number 14, number 21, number 22, number 23, number 36. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat number 13, number 14, number 21, number 22, number 23, number 36. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers number 4, number 7, number 9, number 16, number 34, number 45. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat number 4, number 7, number 9, number 16, number 34, number 45. Now lunchtime bonus ball numbers number 2 or number 49. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat number 2 or number 49. So friends, complete today lunchtime prediction numbers. Today tea time prediction for Friday 12 April 2024. Today tea time single prediction numbers number 8, number 17, number 29, number 33, number 34, number 37. Today tea time single prediction number repeat number 8, number 17, number 29, number 33, number 34, number 37. Now tea time second prediction numbers number 4, number 7, number 19, number 12, 13, number 26. Today tea time second prediction number repeat number 4, number 7, number 19, number 12, number 13, number 26. Now tea time bonus ball numbers number 40 or number 43. Today tea time bonus ball number repeat number 40, number 43. So friends, complete today tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon.